Welcome to our channel where you get the latest updates on cars and automotive technology. Today we are going to talk about the Suzuki Mehran 2025, a car that has continued to hold its value in the entry-level market even after being discontinued. Although Suzuki officially stopped production a few years ago, the legacy of Mehran lives on with upgraded models and custom editions being released by third-party dealers and enthusiasts. The 2025 version of the Suzuki Mehran brings slight changes in design and features while keeping the traditional compact and practical shape. It still carries the 800cc engine, which provides a balance between fuel efficiency and decent performance for city driving. The engine is reliable and simple to maintain, which makes it a favorite among budget-conscious drivers and first-time car owners. From the outside, the car retains its boxy appearance but with minor cosmetic changes like upgraded headlights, sleeker bumpers, and sometimes alloy wheels depending on the variant. Some custom versions also include fog lights and side mirrors with indicators. The ground clearance remains good for rough roads and urban streets. Inside the car, the 2025 Mehran comes with basic interior styling but with a few enhancements. You may find a new dashboard design, slightly better seat cushioning, and in some versions a basic infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity and USB support. The air conditioning performance has also improved slightly in the latest variants. Rear seats are still compact but suitable for short-distance travel. Safety features remain limited as the car was never designed with modern safety standards in mind. You may find seat belts for all passengers and in rare versions a basic immobilizer system. It still lacks airbags and ABS, which are common in newer models, but given its price range the Mehran continues to attract those looking for simple and affordable mobility. The 2025 Suzuki Mehran is not an official model by Suzuki but rather a continuation of a classic design by third parties. It's ideal for those who want a car that is easy to repair, has cheap spare parts and delivers reliable performance on a budget. If you are a fan of old-school simple machines, then this version might catch your interest. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video make sure to subscribe to the channel for more car updates and reviews. Your support helps us bring more automotive content like this, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay connected with our channel.